Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Carrie the Chemist here, and today I'm going to review a facial steamer skin spa. And I'm doing a lot of skincare for myself, and I just want to take you on the journey with me and show you what I'm doing to improve my hyperpigmentation, my fungal acne situation. Today I am going to do a review on the Beauty Nymph, and that's the product there, Beauty Nymph. And it has two different levels. It's going to help. It has two different levels, and it's going to help to steam the face. So it's used for deep cleanse. It cleanses obstructed pores, it's hydrating, and it purifies your face. It promotes blood circulation in your face, maintain the balance and elasticity of the skin, and relieve a cold or sinus problem. And it can also fight exhaustion if used with essential oils. So I'm going to do the steps according to the user's manual here, and we're going to go through the steps to do a facial steam today. And after that I will use my wand and do a facial clean or lift, and I'll show you that in another video. Okay guys, so if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and let's get into the video. Okay, so we're gonna add 50 ml of water in the measuring cup and pour it into the base. So there is a base in here, and it has maximum line. So I'm gonna add water to that maximum line, and then you're gonna turn on the switch on position 1. So let's do that step. So there is the measuring cup that came in the kit right there, and I have a little container of water. I'm just gonna fill that up. It has a little line, so I'm gonna fill it up to the 50 ml line. Okay, so I have 50 ml of water, and I'm gonna pour that into the base, and that will go to my maximum line. Okay, then it says the next step is to turn on the switch on the position. So there are 3 parts to this. There's the base, and then there is a big cone, and then there's a smaller cone to direct the steam. So I'm going to attach this big part to the base. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, so it's simply getting these 2 sections lined up. So there's a notch here and there's a notch there, so I'm going to line those up, and then this part will be right over the front of the base. So I line that up. And just push it in place. Alright. Okay, so I just snap it on, and then this small part will go inside here, so that the steam is more directed towards your face. So let's give you a closer look at that. So as I was saying before, these are the 2 little notches on the base, and on the cone there are also these 2 notches, one there and one there. So I put those, line those up, and just snap it in place, push it down, and that's it. Then I put this little piece in the middle. Okay, so that's what the finish thing looks like. The switch has 0, 1, and 2, so we're going to turn that on to position 1, and then the light comes on. So we'll just give that some time to start steaming. Two things that I noticed with this Beauty Nymph facial steamer is that it doesn't tell you what type of water to use, if it's just tap water or warm water, and it doesn't tell you to plug in the steamer, and then it doesn't tell you how long it takes to start steaming or anything. I'm gonna switch it now to 2 and give it some time to start warming up at 2. And the light is on. Don't see anything happening yet, so let's give this some time and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, all right, so it took it a while to start steaming up. I don't know if you can see some of the steam coming up right now. Right, so it is steaming finally. It takes a bit of a wait, like a lapse before it starts doing anything. So I'm just going to put my face over that and get a towel to cover my face. Okay, so it doesn't give you information of how long it goes on for. I've been doing this for about 30 minutes now, and I still have steam coming out of it, and it's at intense at level 2. So I'll just let it continue to go until it stops steaming. And then it says to relax for 8 minutes after the hydration process, then clean your face with cold water. So because your face is warm now, you have to give it time to get back to like room temperature before you add any cold water. So I would give this a 7 out of 10 on ratings. I didn't like the fact that it didn't give you an idea of how long it takes before it starts steaming. It took like 5 minutes before it even started steaming. Then you can't tell the level of the water, and it doesn't tell you on the pamphlet like how long it should go on before it evaporates completely. So those are just some of the things I find. Those are some of the cons that I found with this Beauty Nymph, but it is a practical product. It does the job, and it's pretty simple and easy to use. So this is something that you can consider buying if you would like to get this product. If you watch this video and comment and like and subscribe, you get a chance to win this product if you're interested. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy the video. And it's Carrie and the Chemist here. Thank you for watching. Bye.